Hi there, my name is Heather Hartwig, an early literacy coach at the Lenawee Intermediate School District. I'm here today to give you a quick tip on Essential 6, Bullet 1 from the Essential Instructional Practices in Early Literacy, K-3. Essential 6 focuses on research and standard-aligned writing instruction. In Bullet 1, it says the teacher provides interactive writing experiences in K and first grade. So really, in an interactive writing experience, this is a way that you can really hone in on your students' strengths. You can really see how their phonological and phonemic awareness is growing, and you can really play into those strengths as you work through your writing. In interactive writing, you are sharing the pen with your students. You're giving them the opportunity to interact with the parts of the writing that they are able to do. So in kindergarten and first grade, they may not be able to write the entire word, but they may know their initial sounds. Our first tip is to give students different color pens when you're sharing the pen. This gives them a sense of ownership. For instance, if I was doing this interactive writing with my students, it might look and sound something like this. Boys and girls, today I thought it would be fun if we wrote about our favorite things about fall because we just have a new season that has started, and I thought it might be fun to learn about each other by talking about our favorite things and writing about them. So today we're going to start by looking at my favorite thing about fall so that when it's your chance to do it, you have a better idea of what you're going to be doing. So I want to say in my writing here, my favorite thing about fall is the big pile of leaves. I love to jump in them. So what you would do is you would have 4 different color pens. I see there are only 3 different colors down here, but you would have 4 different colors. And then you would read it up to that first word that you're trying to figure out. I would say, boys and girls, you'll see here that a lot of the beginning sounds, the beginning letters, I should say, of my words are missing. So I'm going to need your help today to figure out what those beginning letters would be. So let's try the first one together. My favorite thing about fall. Say that with me. Fall. What beginning sound do you hear at the beginning of fall? Right. You're right. It's the sound f. That makes the letter F. F sounds like F. All right, so you'd hand maybe that student a blue pen, and they would write an F here for fall. And then you'd read it again, because they now know that that word is fall. So my favorite thing about fall is the big. And you'd repeat that with this next word, and you would give a student a different color of a pen, and they would write a B in there for big, and you'd repeat that for the different initial sounds of these words. By the time you're finished writing it and reading it all together, they'll have a sense of confidence that many of them can probably read this along with you. You want to make sure that your students know the purpose and the audience for their writing. So the purpose was that we were sharing our favorite things about fall, and the audience was our classmates. I hope you enjoyed your quick tip today. Enjoy writing every day with your students, especially interactive writing with those kindergarten and first grade students.